How to fix error in rules in Quicken Deluxe. This guide will help you quickly resolve the issue and prevent future errors. What causes error in rules? Corrupt or duplicate rules. Incorrect rule formatting. Sync issues with your bank. Outdated Quicken software. Corrupt Quicken data file. Step 1. Refresh and sync transactions. Open Quicken Deluxe. Click Accounts, greater than, Update Now, Ctrl+Alt+U. Check if the issue is resolved after syncing. Step 2. Review and edit transaction rules. Open, Edit, greater than, Preferences, greater than, Downloaded transactions. Click Renaming rules, and check for duplicates. Delete or modify conflicting rules. Step 3. Reset memorized transactions. Go to Tools, greater than, Memorized payee list. Identify incorrect or outdated transactions. Delete or edit problematic payees. Step 4. Update Quicken to the latest version. Click Help, greater than, check for updates. Download and install any available updates. Restart Quicken and check for errors. Step 5. Repair your Quicken data file. Click File, greater than, File Operations, greater than, Validate and repair. Select Validate File, and click OK. Restart Quicken and check if the issue is resolved. Step 6. Reset bank connections if needed. Go to Tools, greater than, Account List. Click Edit on the affected account. Deactivate and then re-add your bank account. Additional fixes if the issue persists. Restore a backup file. Check for hidden errors. Contact Quicken support for advanced help. Prevent future errors. Regularly review renaming rules. Keep Quicken software updated. Verify downloaded transactions before applying changes. Backup your Quicken file frequently. Final thoughts. Following these steps will help resolve the error in rules issue. Keep your transaction rules organized and update your software regularly. Need personalized support? Contact our Quicken troubleshooting experts. Thank you.